welcome to Foodie. Today we're going to make a little snack. It's going to be savory, sweet, salty, hopefully a little bit crunchy. And I'm going to make it with Halloumi. That's your favorite squeaky cheese, I call it. We're going to fry this thing, and this kind of cheese doesn't melt. If you can't find a halloumi in the store, you might try paneer. It's an Indian cheese that also doesn't melt. I don't know for sure if it would work or not, but if you go to the delicatessen area, hopefully they'll have this cheese. All right, so let's get started on this. All right, so what I've got going here is a very small frying pan, like for a 1 egg frying pan. I've got 2 tablespoons of honey in there. I'm going to add to the honey 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme that it's chopped or pretty finely chopped. We're going to turn the burner on very low because we definitely don't want to get this too hot. If you get this too hot, it'll crystallize the honey and it'll just turn into a bunch of sugar. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off already. It was only on for maybe 30 seconds. You just want to get that honey where it starts to get a little bit more liquidy. It's not real thick. And then we'll turn it off now and just let that thyme, the flavor, blend in there with the honey. Okay, over here I've got a frying pan with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let this heat up. And then, I don't know if you can see all the way over here, I've got a little assembly line going. I'm going to take my cheese. This was like a 7-ounce package, and I got, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nice size slices, and then the 2 ends. So what we're going to do with this is take the cheese, dip it in egg. Here I've got about 1/2 cup of cornmeal. And then what we're going to do is dip it in the egg, then into the cornmeal, and then we're going to fry this up. And lately, in the last couple of years, ever since the first time I tried the Japanese panko crumbs, I really like it a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do 3 with the cornmeal and 3 with the panko crumbs. The panko crumbs usually makes it a lot crispier and crunchy. We're going to fry it up just for a couple of minutes on each side. We'll take it out of the frying pan. I'll put it on a paper towel, let some of that grease soak off. Put it on a serving platter, and we'll have some nice little savory. The cheese is very salty also, so it's going to be savory from the thyme, sweet from the honey, salty from the cheese, and then we're going to sprinkle a couple little blueberries on top of it to just kind of make it look nice. I'll try to do one here, one-handed. Hopefully this will come in good. Then into the frying pan. All right, let's try the panko crumbs here. I hope you can see this okay. Yeah, so you just want to kind of look at it. It's probably going to be 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. All right, let's take these out. We'll set them on a paper towel. So you can obviously see the difference here, I think, of the cornmeal, and here's the panko crumbs. Okay, I've got my serving dish here. I put a little bit of spinach at the bottom of it just so it looks nice. We will add our halloumi cheese. I'll just put 4 on there. The honey and thyme. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of this on top. Smells good. And then sprinkle with a couple little blueberries. Looks kind of nice. All right, let's try. I'm going to try the panko crumbs. And I'll grab a couple blueberries and put those in the same bite. It's squeaking. Yeah, really good. Sweet, savory, salty, fruity. I really like these. Very good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.